Now once we get that going, you log on to our website with the username and password, and it brings up your thermostat. Again, this is a residential stat. This is what this looks like. This is the permanent schedule. This is the system's detail, so you can see you're in the heat mode. It's automatic. And if I want to change something, if I want to go over to cool, I can do that. You know, and I can set my temperature, change it. Here's a single day change if you want to make it just a, you know, it's like where I have my arrow right now, that's the away mode. And let's say, you know I'm going to be away until later that day, so till 7 o'clock. You can't really see it's underneath there, but I just changed the program there. Okay. So that's a permanent change, or that's a temporary change. It would automatically go back to its set point as soon as that event's over. But if I want to make a permanent change, I go to this screen, I can drag and click, and just hit that function, and boom, you can see I just made a permanent change. That's going to stay like that. So the one thing with the residential that's different from the commercial is the fact that I've got 3 different stats here. I can only look at one stat at one time. So if I want to go in and look at what my bedroom is doing, I was in main floor, I click out of main floor and go to bedroom. And there's my settings for my bedroom thermostat. Whereas this is what the commercial screen looks like. When you go on, I click on my sets, and all the thermostats that I have operating in my system are on the screen. So if I want to make a change to one, I click, these are my different options up here. So I want to make a permanent program change. I can click that icon. I don't know if you can see it, but every box has a check mark in it. So now I can make a change to every thermostat at one time by one click. Now if I just want to change one stat, and we'll change this one around, I can go in and I can say update program and do the same thing. We're going to be occupied on Saturday from this time now, and it takes a second. Boom, and you can see I just made a program change. Or if I want to change my detail screen on that one, I can update details, and there's my HVAC mode. I want to change it over to heat. I hit update, and it automatically goes to my heat setting. So I just made it. And now I can change the name. You can see I've got a bunch of D's in there. We want to change the name of that thermostat that we have checked to, you know, I don't know. We'll change them all P's. Oop, I need to.
If you need to control it or measure it, Stromquist & Company has a control solution for you. With over $2 million of inventory between our Georgia and Florida locations, an easy-to-use online ordering platform, same-day shipping, and a factory-trained team of controls experts to answer your questions, Stromquist & Company continues in its tradition of offering great service and great products.